Right, so tógaí síos gacrúd mar nótaí, tosóg méid just a caint faoine ihreacha, but bhí mar caint faoi seo an lá dearnach a rénos, nar bhí mar caint faoi ihreacha cohvéiste agus é cohvéiste. So it's another set of ihreacha atá daile le. So ihreacha go generalta ar mar seo. And again, this is a formula book Masrade Garev Dharma Dainta Gutter in Pisade, or if you want Cower Lesson Nodruct, Masrade Garev Shenu Sodlain Keshan Scruda Hanoinrod. So we have N is Cohumlan Evergaganta. Now again, I'm not going to screeve Gokula Rudamak Fuina Evergashut like we should know Urenos. Heindo 3 August Araig Neil Nod Sonorav August Everga Akanta the Tagest on Shin. So on Kate Kionella and Shin we have Slán Everga. So that's Luda Do, Luda Hain, Nod, Hain, Do, Araig in both directions, positive and negative whole numbers. So even though this is like on Kate Rudata Dainta Gwyn a Blina Hain, like Ornta Kurna Ruddy Bioga Shin is Jock Erna Keshna. So we have to be Kinta Mas Ruddy Ganaran Che Gulche N no Z Gul Midig Sween Fuishin. Or we have Ray Diverga, really Tomata kind of Ain Ivrica Raidaga. So this is going to be different. Suskadi and we to show all of our Ivrica really were Raid Ivrica. So N, Z, Ain, Kinal, Codon, Dakulaka, Ivrica, A Covesta, August Covesta. They're all Raid Ivrica. Ivrica Raidaga. So Raid Ivrica. And basically, yeah, we're kind of A never. So Darfuk, Dultuk, Nod, Codon, Dakulaka. On Shin Q, we have Ivrica Covesta. And again, bhí mar fécin ar nódrach seo an teachtain caite, so ar nóras rud é go bhfuil sé scrífa mar A haar B, where A agus B are mar bháil de Z agus ní féidir le B a bheith chuthair le nád. So codon really isn't Ivriga atá a cain faoi an sin. And again, sa formula book tá sé scrífa mar sin, so mas rud é go raibh tú géirí é sin úsad, but tá dharma dénta go ar na rudí bheaga sin, well then is féidir le check in ver sin. So le haine Ivriga cohvéista agus bhí mar fécin ar seo le fréamhcarna go dó, ní léon litar amháin de sin, buine siad úsad as an nódrach le haid tucker, so we have or gone Q. So all the real numbers gone na Ivriga cohvéista, that leaves us with na Ivriga a cohvéista. I'll just write a cohvéista. So that's ein raid iver. Knock fader. Ahlina. So form A har B. Now that's like so form A har B where A and B are Z and B is not common not. So mar sin. Cludíonn sé sin surdy, but just nota bioga fui surdy come up because that's going to come up a lot. So kabla sho. Surdy is a iver egovesta, and that's where we have Frape Carnock X, and X is iver Carnock. So all of these, like on Talker Lahai Raid Ivrica. N is mar Raid Iver, Z mar Raid Iver. That's obviously mar Raid Iver. Q is mar Raid Iver. These numbers are also Raid Ivrica Kuma. So even if it's or gone Q, it's the set of real numbers without na Ivrica Egovesta. So all of those sets of numbers are marked with the or. So in Ish Begmuid Igfekend an Ivrica Coimpléascacha, and we're going to be looking at the set of numbers that doesn't fit in here. August Togan sé suas le surdy. So just couldn't know to be a scrífhui surdy, so original ein rud nua an seo. Surdy are Ivrica atá scrífa mar sin, but we're not ag kind fui like Fraibh Carnock a Cahar, but mar is slán cearna sin. So we have like Fréamh Carnacha dó, Fréamh Carnacha trí, Níl Fréamh Carnacha cahar mar céan bháin dó, Fréamh Carnacha cuaig, Níl Fréamh Carnacha ní mar céan dó. So I'm just going to cur X tríd na gá céim sin. Okay, so it's only na ibrige sin is féidir linn freagraí ibre amach dómh ar an ormhán, beag sé scríofa mar puinte dacúil. So is iad sin na surdí tá a caint faoi. Agus an sin na rialcha tá ceangalta le sin. Well, they're kind of rialcha, but like just a bheith an tólas faoi seo. Nóir is rud ag go bhfuil sé Fréamh Carnacha AB. Is féidir linn A a bhrisise suas, so it's Fréamh Carnacha A fá Fréamh Carnacha B. Agus an sin mar hampla, if we have Fréamh Carnacha dóigh. Now, déananig an ormhán é sin doing le Uimhreacha, but ní bheith Uimhreacha gceist an hamar fad. Like if X is ag teach suas or Y is ag teach suas, we have to be a noun iad a bhrisise suas mar seo. But just chun sampla one éanamh, if I have Fréamh Carnacha dóigh, is féidir lom é a scríb mar Fréamh Carnacha sé fá Fréamh Carnacha cahar fá Fréamh Carnacha trí, onas go bhfuil mé noun é a siimplú. So that's on form is simply. So with, I don't think I've spelled that right. Anyway, maybe I have. So is féidir leis an ormhán an obair sin dhéanamh dún, if we curse teach Fréamh Carnacha dóigh and press cótham le, tuairthaigh sé é doing mar sin. So that's kind of an céad rial atá muid kind faoi le surdí. And we would use it to kind of simplify rudí le surdí. So an cé ceann eile an sin is kind of ceangalta leis ar énos. If we have an Fréamh Carnacha A Harby, is féidir linn A a bhrisise suas mar sin. So we have Fréamh Carnacha A har Fréamh Carnacha B. So just chun aon cinál Uimhreacha chuirste again. If we had like Fréamh Carnacha cuaig har cahar, well then we'd scríbh sin mar Fréamh Carnacha cuaig har Fréamh Carnacha cahar, and then we could scríbh sin mar Fréamh Carnacha cuaig har dó. Okay, but lena surdí will be ag fecin air. Like we don't have to always scríbh amach. Like even if we were ag déanamh rud éigean and we had to find the length of a distance or an fád idir gá fuainte and we have it mar Fréamh Carnacha cuaig, fág é mar sin, like orintha dearann sé fág é I form surdí, orintha beidir gnéirigh sé scríbh éigeadí puinte dacúil. Like don't be too worried about always writing that out, like putting it into the calculator and figuring out cad godíor tá gceist an sin. Like tá sé go bra é ága mar sin. Because lena Uimhreacha mar sin, if you write that as Fréamh Carnacha cuaig and you curse sin isteach normhán, then you'll be rounding it to a certain number of places. So ach go thuaithe má tá rud éigean le déanamh sa céad píosa don ceist agus tá sé Fréamh Carnacha cuaig, fág mar sin é, and then maybe at the end then write it as a decimal number if that's what we need to do. So lena Uimhreacha Coimpléascacha then, how this is directly ceangalta leis. Okay, just curlína faoin píosa sin, or fág píosa beag spás, and now we're actually ag dul araig gotí an céad tachar eile de Uimhreacha. So it's another set of numbers.